We are going to attend NVIDIA 2025 GTC AI conference in San Jose from March 17th to 21st. Last year was a reunion. We've met lots of friends. It's a premier event for developers, researchers, and industry leaders to explore the latest advancements in AI, accelerated computing, and humanoid robotics. So this year, our booth is at 1703, where you will get a hands-on experience of how NVIDIA Jetson GPU inferencing capability empower robotics development. Come by and let's see how we can help bring physical AI applications to life. Think that's all? Not quite. Right after GTC from March 22nd to 23rd, we are co-hosting an embodied AI hackathon with NVIDIA, Hugging Face, and Hackster. Developers and makers will team up to build a 3D printed robot arm using the Hugging Face LeRobot platform. Experimenting with imitation learning with ACT or Diffusion Policy or Pi0 training and deployment. Join us and get registered today. We can't wait to see you in this amazing GTC week.